Ganda oh.
Ang mantika naman ako.
Hindi, pagkatapos mo. Dating follower lang ngayon, kasama ko ng idol ko.
Welcome to LU.
This is our first travel vlog together with the guys and with the friends. So, this is our first night out. So, I hope you enjoy our video. Let's go!
Let's go!
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. It's your road to walk, and your
Kaya, come here. So relaxing. Hello, Kaya. Keep. She's super sweet. My super sweet cat. Hello. Kaya, oh. Oh! Kaya. She's camera shy. Hello, Alaya. Nagpa-home service ako ng nails. Looks so good. Mukha siyang black pero wine red siya. So cute. Happy birthday, Meow Me! Happy birthday, Meow Me! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Meow Me!
guys, so we're on our way to Marikina because we were invited sa event ni Miss Ana Kai. So I'm super excited. Medyo traffic lang and I hope na makaabot tayo.
As specific as possible, like make it a SMART goal. So lahat ng sinusulat nyo, you're reflecting but try to end it with a SMART goal. Achieve kung hindi ka specific with your goal. Or lang ako gusto ko like kailangan measurable siya. And you
person who will share will get an automatic pass to next year's much bigger Vision Soaring.
Okay. Pa-take note po nun guys sa mga nakarinig. Yan, mag-audit tayo ng mga pero no rush guys, kasi yung paggagawa daw ng vision board, sabi ni Ms. Zara kanina, and yung mga na-share ng mga kasamahan natin, it will take time talaga. Sa mananalo po, our team will get back to you and give you all the terms and conditions po.
Pero guys, sana yung manalo dito gamitin this year, no? Baka ng 2027 na kami mag-book. Hopefully this year para ma-enjoy nyo agad.
Hello guys, so nakauwi na ako and it's currently 11:47 PM na and nag-change lang ako sa pajama. Before kami umuwi, binigyan kami ng Arcadia ng free daily dewy tin. Ito yung new launch nila. Actually, hindi kami nakapili kung anong shade yung kukunin. Parang raffle, ganun. So, mamimili lang kami doon. Tapos parang blind box. Ayun, ito yung nakuha ko. Sakura 01. So, I think ito yung medyo cool tone to. And nasa side siya ng parang pinkish something. So, let's try this. Ang sabi nila kanina, lahat naman ng shades nila na nirelease today is bagay siya kahit anong shade mo. So, kung maputi ka or morena ka, sabi nila babagay naman. So, morena ako and let's try. Oh, wow. Ayan siya guys, si Sakura 01. Hindi siya ganun ka-glossy. Meron lang siyang gloss ng konti pero hindi siya yung in your face na gloss. I'll end the vlog here. So, thank you so much for watching this video. More to come soon. Bye guys!